Hi everyone, Kaos Nova here, and this is another tutorials episode. This is going to be a rather short one, but I'm going to say there's some great news going on. There's Codeweavers Crossover 23.0, so I'm going to be doing updated tutorials for the new release. And it's great because Codeweavers Crossover 23.0 has DirectX support. So a lot of compatibility issues involving DirectX that the previous version 22 had, the new DirectX is taken care of. It's amazing. And, you know, I can get on and on with my excitement about the new update to Codeweavers Crossover, but in the meantime, I'm going to be getting ready to go and show how to do some tricks here with video editing. And while this will be a short episode, it should be a fun one as I get ready for the wave of tutorials episodes we're going to have. It's going to be great. All right. So this as you go here, we have Wondershare Filmora, which I said I'd be talking about how to do some video editing tricks in this new episode here. This is Wondershare Filmora 12, and I'm going to be showing you how to do some basic tricks to make some fun videos. Now this is clips from a video game called Gerambo Martian Memory. It is the only Battle Angel Alita console-based video game. There was a pay-to-win game that they released briefly in 2019 with a live-action film. But this one is basically a video game released for the PS1 in 1998, and I'm just going to show you some tricks on editing clips here. So first of all, this is all my media here. So we're going to show how to do your social media stickers and a few more tricks. So to start off, here's the various clips I have. So to start this off. So yeah, first of all, this is not the right title, so I'm going to change it here. So the correct title for this one would be Entering Farm 21. That's what the event is in the video game. You see it in the manga in Volume 8. In case you were wondering how I could find that. So we're going to go to the video clip of visiting Factory Farm 28. Now the thing you'll notice about this video clip right here, it is not widescreen. So we're going to make it widescreen. So we double click on the clip, as you see with my cursor right here, and then you go and see that little lock symbol here. That's saying we're going to keep the proportions the same. I'm going to undo the proportions being the same. And stretch it out a little bit this way. This way. So now it's widescreen proportions. So what if you wanted to voice dub? Well, the voice dub is a simple tool here in Wondershare Filmora. And I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to put a voice in here. So here you see the microphone. That's record your voice. So this is going to be a voice dub here. So there's a countdown. first of all, I want to do the right microphone, so it's the external microphone that I'm using right now. So your external microphone, and you can do whatever, you can do narrating for your video projects, whatever you want to do. And I'm just going to be mute project, click that one so I don't hear the project noises while I'm recording. It might distract me a little bit when I'm trying to record. So, this is counting down. Alright, now recording. Yeah, I learned that from Armor Doll when me and Den switched before, psychometrically. You should go see him. Now we're going to go listen to it. Alright, now recording. Yeah, I learned that from Armor Doll when me and Den switched before, psychometrically. You should go see him. So now I'm going to turn the music down so it interferes less with the voice stuff. Go see this. Alright, now recording. Yeah, I learned that from Armor Doll when me and Den switched before, psychometrically. You should go see him. Now, as you notice, there's a little extra trim here. So, yeah, so I put the voice Kaos in the thing. I added the voice in there. It's pretty good. So there's it. And you can also adjust to, you can increase the volume of your voice. You don't want to do it too much because you'll start hearing all the background noise as well. So you want to have a balance, and you also want to, balance between right and left. I always do surround, so I always balance between right and left so people can hear it no matter what their situation is. I mean, that's how I do it. Surround sound, always. Just do AI spoof enhancement, so it takes out the background noise. Alright, now recording. Yeah, I learned that from Armor Doll. Me and Den switched before, psychometrically. You should go see him. See? It took out a lot of that background noise, whether you hear the wind or the air conditioner running. Took that out. Great. So we're going to go a little bit longer. Try another effect here. So you want to use you want to say, like, have a little notice to like and subscribe in your video. We're going to go to stickers, and now you can do plenty of things. You can do I love you. You can do outdoors. All these little labels here. But for now, we're just going to use social media. So social media. So you can do like, subscribe. So like. And there we're going to adjust, so it starts off big and in the center. We're going to move it up to the top so it's not blocking the video. Do the same thing with try one. Position these so that you can shrink a little more. And now I'm going to get my sticker for my channel. I'm going to move that a little bit, both of them. So they're in the corner, you don't block the character's face. So now I'm going to roll out my sticker for my channel. So when you go back to my media, and here I have the green screen little thing, specially made for my channel. Go like this. So the trick is you can do this with a green screen or blue screen for the picture, and Wondershare Filmora will filter it out, or you can just do it so that the picture is only that. So I'll do another tutorial about how to make a channel label or a sticker without background on it, which works well. But in this case, we're mostly going to look at the, see, I'm now going to adjust this, get it closer. Okay. So today we're just going to mostly just look at, just make it closer again, so it's symmetrical. Today we're mostly just going to look at, doing the social media thing that says like and subscribe to your channel on the video. There it is. And now, so I also have my own outros that I had made for me on, I think the transition shorter. These outros are made for me on the service called placeit.net, and I'm going to have a link to that in the description. But this is my new tip. And as you see with this one, for this outro, I'm going to have it placed in YouTube where the recommended playlists or video and recommended video are. So recommended, however you want to do. It's elements when you go to the video editing part of YouTube itself. So it's going to fill up with this. But in the meantime, if I wanted to add my channel sticker, I would do it like this. So that I would do it so it's faded in, so that overall picture is faded in when the picture appears, and I'll size it so that it fits inside this. And one thing I can do is I can manually adjust the position. So you go to here, basic position, Y. So you can adjust very delicately. So there. So now I have my, because on some video platforms, such as Rumble, they don't have the preset image screen yet. They will eventually, I hope so. So that's it. But I'm not going to do it here because this video is going to go on YouTube. So that's it. And the final thing you have to do before uploading is you just have to export and make sure your export settings are right. So I do it 4K. You don't necessarily have to do 4K. Maybe 1080p is good enough. That's how it's set. So that's ready to export. And in the meantime, we're going to go to the ending screen here. And just say, hey, this is a short video editing tutorial again for Wondershare Filmora. And I'm going to make a new playlist for just the video editing tips. And I'll have it, when it's set. But that's what I'm going to do. And in the meantime, I just want to thank you for watching another episode of Kaos Tutorials, and I wish you all have a wonderful night. And we look forward to more tutorials for the new Codeweavers Crossover 23.0 tricks in installing your favorite apps in Windows and Linux. In the meantime, you have a wonderful night, and I will be signing off. Hi everyone, Kaos Nova here, and I just want to show some basics on my channel here. I've got some recommended channel. This is introduction. I have a nice introduction for those who are visiting my channel homepage for the first time to explain the ins and outs. I have a couple of extra places here on my channel. I have my merchandise store for you to check it out. I'm just updating it. So just some fun merchandise. T-shirts, shoes, cups, mouse pads, cell phone stickers, coffee mugs, etc. Nice little place. Also, something for showcasing episodes is you can reach me on my Facebook page. Send me a Facebook message and include, let's just say showcase contributions, and have a link of that video. When you do, follow me on Facebook too. I've got some nice things there. Also, I've got Instagram for just showing some jokes and memes and announcements such as Tron Ares happening and other pop culture things that I view, so I recommend the Instagram page. And I also have a Rumble. My Rumble channel is mostly focused on doing hobby stuff, and some things are not found on YouTube, but they are found on my Rumble, so I recommend checking out the Rumble channel. And that should conclude it. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I am going to be signing off. Hi everyone, Kaos Nova here, and this is the ending of the video presentation on Kaos Tutorials. And here's the deal: if you want to see more of my tutorials on getting your old games to work on Mac, and you want to see more tutorials on how to do various other tasks, such as very cheap ways to make YouTube videos that still look decent, and much more, feel free to subscribe. And if you want to be among the first to get each video, hit the notifications. And please, if you enjoy liking this, your vote still counts, so please click the like with a big thumbs up. All right, you have a wonderful day, and I'll be signing off.